Hi, now I am discussing about two previous UGC NET questions of 2019 and 2020 previous question papers, and topic is profit and loss. The first question: Kavita sold a mobile phone at the price of 1950 and made a loss of 25%. At what price will she have to sell to get it a profit of 30%? So let the cost price of the mobile phone is CP. CP, the cost price in out to 75% is equal to 1950, because 1950 is the only 75% or 25% loss. So from this CP is equal to 2600 rupees. To get 30% profit, the selling price should be 130% of cost price. So selling price is equal to 130% of cost price means 2600. Then selling price will be equal to the 3380 rupees. Next question: a shopkeeper sells an item at a discount of 40% on the item's listed price of 1500. He still makes a profit of 20% on the original cost of the item. What is the original cost of the item? So let the MRP is 1500 and selling price is by on the MRP he gives some 40% discount. So selling price is equal to MRP minus discount of the MRP. So 1500 minus 40% of the 1500 means 600, means 900. 900 is the selling price. Still he gains 20% profit. So profit percentage is equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. So you know the profit 20 and selling price is 900, then you will get the cost price is equal to 750 rupees. And next question: what is the actual profit when the profit on selling price is 25? So for this let the selling price 100 rupees, then profit is 25%, then the cost price is equal to 100 minus 25 means 75. Actual profit on the cost price means profit by cost price. So here 25 by 75 into 100, that is 33.33%. And next question: a trader marks up the price of goods he sells by 50% and gives a discount of 20%. Besides this, he also weights the goods by 20% less. What is the net profit it gets? So assume selling price 100, then marked price 50% up means 150, discount 20% on the 150, that is upon 150 20% means 30 rupees. So final price 150 minus 30, 120. Hence gets 20 rupees per kg. And but the weight is reduced by the 20% means 800 grams, because out of 1000 grams 20% reduced, then the remaining weight is 800 grams. So actual selling price is to be 80 rupees. So profit means 120 minus 80, 40. Then the 40 profit percent means profit by actual selling price into 100, that is 50%. What is the actual equivalent discount of three successive discounts of 8%, 10%, 12% by sale of an article? For this we have the formula for two discounts. To find the successive discount means x plus y minus xy by 100, and this formula is for two successive discounts. We have the three discounts, so first take two discounts, then after that by getting the value, then add with third value, then this is the final. So 10, 12, 8. So first to take 10 and 12, substitute in the formula x plus y minus xy by 100, we will get 20.8%. And again this 20.8% and 8%, then the final discount will be 27.136%. Next question: what is the exact equivalent discount of the three successive discounts 10, 15, 20 by sale of an article? Here the same formula for two discounts one time, and from the answer combined with another discount. So finally we will get 38.8%. And next question: by selling 70 pencils for 90 rupees, a person makes a loss of 25%. How many pencils should be sold for 230 rupees to have a profit of 30%? So selling price of 70 pencils is equal to 90 rupees, but loss is 25%. So selling price of 70 pencils means that 100 by 100 minus 25 into 90. 9 means 20, 120. That is the cost price. Then cost price of the one pencil means 120 by 70, that is 1.71. To get the 30% of the selling price one pencil, so 1.71 into 130 by 100, 2.22. This is the cost of one pencil. He has to sell for 230 rupees. How many pencils means 234 by 2.22, then 105 pencils. Next question, a shopkeeper sells a refrigerator for 22,000 and makes a profit of 10%. He decides to make a profit 18%. What should be his selling price? Means selling price 22,000. If 10% profit means 110%. Then he has to desire 18% profit. So he has to find out 118%. So by making the formula 22,000 into 118 by 110 is 23,600. The next question, Sanjay sold an article for a loss of 25%. If the selling price had been increased by 175, there would have been a gain of 10%. What was the cost price of the article? So we know selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Selling price means cost price. Here we are getting 25% loss, so 25% of the cost price. Then final selling price is equal to 0.75 of CP. Now new selling price is 175 should be added, 0.75 CP plus 175, and to get 10% profit means selling price cost price plus 10% of the cost price. So cost price plus 0.1 CP, then SP is equal to 1.1 CP. By equating the 1 and 2 equations, simply we will get cost price as 500. And next question, a retailer marks his goods 40% above the cost price and thinking that he will still make 20% profit and offers a discount of 20% on the market price. What is the actual profit of percentage on the sales? So let the cost price 100, he marked price means 40% high means 140 rupees. So selling price means 20% discount he is making. So 100 minus 20% of 140. So 80% of the 140. Then 80 by 100 into 140 means 112. So final profit percent means 112 minus 100 by 100 into 100. That is the 12%. The next question, at what percentage above the cost price must be an article marked so as to gain 8% after allowing a customer discount of 10%. So here the cost price and marked price, two measurements. Cost price means 100 minus discount percentage, marked price means 100 plus profit percentage. Here 10% discount means 100 minus 10% means 90. Marked price 8% increase to get profit means 100 plus 8, 108. So difference is 108 minus 90 is 18. So for this required percentage means 108 minus 90 by 90 into 100. We will get 20%. Thank you. Next question, a person incurs 10% loss by selling a watch for 1800. At what price should the watch sell earn 10% profit? So here cost price means 100, then selling price 10% loss 90. So 90% means 1800. Then we have to find out the 110%. So simply 2200. Thank you.